Examine the statement to identify which connectives are being used. All right, if you do not wear a shirt and you wear sneakers, you will not be allowed in the restaurant. Once again, this thing starts with an if. If blah, 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 and then they got a comma right here. This is where the then would be. Okay, so if you do not wear a shirt and you wear sneakers, I see an and in there, you will not be allowed in the restaurant. So I'm definitely seeing and. I've also got an if then. The word where is not a connective, and the word allowed is not a connective. And since I've already bubbled on A and D, it's definitely not going to be this one. And do I see a or in there? If you do not wear a shirt and you wear sneakers, then you will not be allowed in the restaurant. I don't see an or in there at all. So A and D is all I would click on for that one. Next. Okay. This is where you're going to have to type in your own answer. It says, let P and Q represent the following simple statements. P is I work hard, and Q is I get a raise. And it says, write the following compound statement in symbolic form. Okay. It starts with I work hard. So that is going to be the letter P. And then it says or, and then the symbol for or is the V. Because remember, an and, it looks like the letter A, but it's missing the bar across. And then it says, I do not get a raise. Now the words I get a raise, that is the Q. But they threw into this the do not. And remember, do not is a negation. So in this box, I would type P, the symbol for or, the negation symbol, and the Q. Or you could type it like this and put this in parentheses. It means the same thing. When you click on this box, down at the bottom somewhere, a toolbox should show up, and they'll have like little squares with stuff in them, and one of them should have that V and another one should have that negation symbol in there. You just gotta look. All right. One more. 22. Let P, Q, and R represent the following simple statements. Okay. So P is the taxes are high, and Q is the job pays well, and R is I work hard. Okay. Write the following compound statement in its symbolic form. If the taxes are not high, then the job pays well, or I work hard. Okay, this has got a bunch in it. I have an if and a then. So I know I have an arrow here. That's the if-then symbol. And then it says the taxes are not high. Now remember the words the taxes are high. I just realized I clicked on the here when I should have clicked, or I should have highlighted in purple the word then, not the word the. Sorry about that. When they throw in the word not, that is negating the statement. So I am going to need a negation of the yellow stuff. And so the negation symbol looks like that. and yellow was the letter P. So it's all of this, if all of that, then the job pays well. Okay. The job pays well, or I work hard. I do work hard. The job doesn't pay well though. So you're gonna have the job pays well, which is the letter Q, and then you have the or, which is the V symbol, and then you have the I work hard, which is the letter R. And then I would close that out. And that's your answer, and you type that in the box.